Oh god. Okay, anyways, guys, welcome back to another video. So, you're wondering, why am I not in Gorilla Tag right now? Okay, I'm gonna go into attack. I'm not gonna cut this part, I'm just gonna let it load. Alright, so, tag. I usually play this, I'm probably gonna play it for a little bit. But they finally added bird runners to App Lab. Finally. So I'm gonna make a video on that. So yeah, here, I'll let you see that they added it. Just search up bird runners, scroll down until you see view app labs. There's also bread runners for some reason, but yeah. Look, they added it. Okay, but I'm gonna play a hunt to get the once and so if I get tagged once, I'm gonna play bird runners. Hey yo guys, you won't believe it. They added bird runners to App Lab.
Where are you going, Black?
Also, send some tag. Does not count. So yeah.
Doesn't matter.
As we are right now loading into bird runners right now. It's a birdie. It's a birdie. It's a bird. Yes. Okay. I have to use this controller. What the? I'm invincible. I'm invisible. Oh my god, bro! I'm finally in this game. Howdy fun. Oh god, dude. No way. Tab. Number 1. Dude, I'm not connected to a server. Oh, the floor is lava! In bird game. In a game about birds. Yeah, this game seems fun already, dude. Y'all can get it too, which is the good part about this game. Come on, hurry up and reset lava. Okay, let's go. Woo! Woohoo! Woo! There's no lava. What? I don't have to play the game. There's lava. I didn't know that. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? I just got this game. The old beach. The beach. Oh, it's not loaded. No, it isn't. Never mind. Sandcastle. Ruined it. Ah, stupid beach ball. Wow. This beach ball is strong. Get on top of here. Wait, this thing's bouncy. Why is it bouncy? Are rocks bouncy for some reason? No, good. What the? Oh, it's like zero. This is like low gravity when you're in the water. That's sick. One small step for man. Bro, there's literally low gravity in here. That's sick. Come on. Yes. Did you just get this game because it was on App Lab? Or have you owned it? Oh, I'm gonna make it. No, I didn't. Yes. I made it. I made it to the top of the slide. Whee! Whee! No! I don't like the lava. I don't like the water. Alright, well, I was just showing y'all this game's out. I don't know what to do right now, so I'm gonna go back to just showing you some Gorilla Tag gameplay. Because why not? I'm just bored. So, yeah, I guess I'm gonna play Gorilla Tag for you guys. No, not the water again. Whatever, I'm leaving anyways. So, I'm gonna catch a Gorilla Tag. So, we're in. I'm gonna play Hunt, and if I get tagged once, the video ends. Because it starts off with tag. Yo, guys, Bird Runners is in App Lab. You don't need side quests no more. How do you pinch climb? Wink, wink. Oh, I messed up.
Go to them. Flex.
What?